Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is going to be like somewhat of a shorter video. I believe so. But I was definitely not going to make this a shorts, meaning like making less than a minute. Even though I can in a way and just say that I'm not gonna repurchase this. However, I do want to give my reasoning behind it so you can get an understanding of it. But anyway, this is the Paparazzi clarifying facial sheet mask, and it has anise fruit and lemon fruit extracts in it. Now, in the back on the top part over here where it's cut off, it basically says the same thing again, just like added like extra words in it, honestly, and that's pretty much it. It's basically kind of like reading an essay. Well, you know when you do an essay in high school, college, university, and stuff, right? Where you are told to write like 3,000, 4,000 word essays, and then at some point you have to start writing random things. So you start writing sentences with a whole bunch of random words in it, which is like synonyms and for other words. So basically, you're kind of making it longer by just random at that point making random sentences or like repeating the same words but just using different words. Honestly, that's basically what happened at the back, and then just tells you to put it on for 10 to 20 minutes, because normally whenever I buy a sheet mask, it does tell you exactly what each of these products would do, like, you know, in this case the anime fruit and the fruit extract, what they would do, um, and like which what is doing what, like which one's clarifying and stuff like that and everything. But in this case, they did not mention that at all. And then and then honestly, when I actually took it out, I bought two, by the way, from CVS, and just in case, I wanted to give it a chance because, you know, there wasn't any information on it and stuff like that, and it does look the same exact way as this packet does. So yeah, just to give you a rough idea. Now, the eye area was relatively small. Let me actually properly, there we go, show you. It was relatively small, so it definitely covers your eyebrows and almost your eyelids. So if you have extremely big eyes, this most likely will bother you for sure. Just to give you a heads up on that. Um, so it has a lot of serum on it when you initially take it out, and my skin is on the dry ends. Normally, when I actually let me put it like this. Well, when I applied this on my face, I think I only had to leave it on for like 10 minutes at this point because my face did absorb pretty much all of the serum within 10 minutes. I don't even think it hit 10 minutes by the time it absorbed all of the serum, honestly. And normally it doesn't take that quick for my skin to absorb every single thing. It does take some time. Now, I do want to mention there wasn't as much serum as the other ones because other ones would be dripping like crazy with serum. This, yeah, it didn't really drip like that, but there was good enough serum on it to tell like there was like good amount of serum. Um, but not like literally dripping out of it. But yeah, my skin did ended up like this is probably the quickest one yet where my skin did absorb all of the serum pretty quickly, if not all, but majority of it. So yeah. Um, but that being said, it kind of hydrated my skin. I did see a little bit of hydration in my skin. However, I do want to mention it's at the clarifying part. I did not see anything. I don't know how, like, since there was no information on exactly what to expect and everything, normally, like, how a lot of these face masks would, facial sheet masks would. So, I see besides the fact that there was some hydration in it, I didn't really see anything clarifying about it or if I need to use multiple more times. But to see it, but oftentimes I do see it somewhat of a difference if I do like it. Other than that, either there's if there is not a positive reaction, either way it would be neutral, or I just did not like it at all. In this case, I feel like it was more on the neutral side because I personally didn't see anything clarifying about this. And normally when I see clarifying, I would expect more of like a mud mask or a peel off mask because that is the one that is kind of like clarifying. Because if you think about it, when it comes to clarifying, your hair is removing buildup and stuff like that. In this case, I would expect that to happen with a mud mask or peel off mask, like I mentioned, not with the sheet masks. So yeah. So in my opinion, I would not personally be repurchasing this again. Just based off of my own understanding of what this sheet mask should be doing. So yeah. Other than that, if you guys want me to look into any of the products and review them and everything, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Other than that, I'll be linking both my Instagram pages. Make sure to follow, hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and I'll be back for more. Stay safe and stay tuned, guys.